Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're going to teach you Python.
So today we're going to learn about the sort and sorted functions. So first we're going to do a list, which has a bunch of numbers. Then we're going to print a list before, because we're going to change the list. Then we're going to print a list, the sort. So we're going to use the sort function, which is going to sort your list items. Then we're going to print a list after. So now we're going to save it. And so it did before, the list before, and then when we did print a list sort, it did none because the sort function doesn't return anything. Then after, the list now is sorted, so it's not 1, 5, it's 1, 3, because 3 is less than 5. Next we're going to do a list again, and then we're going to print the list before, and then we're going to print a list dot reverse. So now we're going to use the reverse function, which will reverse the order of your items. Then we're going to print a list after. So now we're going to save it and run. So it did the before list, and then the reverse function also doesn't return anything, so it also prints none. Then there's the reversed list. So 3 over here before was at the last item. Now it's the first item, so it reversed the orders of our items. Next we're going to do a list again. Then we're going to print a list before, and we're going to print sorted a list. Then we're going to print a list after. So now we're going to use the sorted function. So it did before, and then now the sorted function returns something. So it's the sorted list. So it doesn't affect your regular list. So it makes a copy. So there's 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And then it does after, so the regular list is same as before. Next we're going to do a list again. I'm going to print list, reversed a list. And another way to do it is print a list, colon, colon, -1. So now we're going to do the reversed function. So it did 39751. So that's reversed. And this one, print a list, colon, colon, -1, is the same as print list reversed a list. So reversed also returns the reversed list. So it's just like sorted before the reverse function. Next we're going to do tuple equals EDCBA. So this is a tuple with letters. Then we're going to print tuple before, and we're going to print sorted tuple. So now we're going to test the sorted function on a tuple and see if anything special happens. Then we're going to print tuple before, after. Now, so then before, so this is the before, and then when we do sorted function, it turns the tuple into a list, and then it sorts the letters. So the tuple turned into a list. That's one thing that's special. Then after is still the same. Next, I'm going to try it on a string. So string equals hello. Then we're going to print string before. Then we're going to print sorted. So I'm going to test the sorted on a string. And then we're going to print string after. So we're going to print it and run. So it did hello before. And then when we sorted it, it turned into a list and it sorted its letters. So now it's hello instead of hello. And then
So funny.
after is still hello. Next, we're going to test it on a dictionary. We have a dictionary with keys and values. Then we're going to print dict before, and then we're going to print sorted dict. So we're going to sort the dictionary, and then print the dictionary after. So it did cat. This is a regular dictionary. Then it also turned it into a list. So it sorted its keys, not its values. So it did bird, cat, dog, rabbit. And then the after is still the same. So how do we do it if we want to sort the values? So first I'm going to print sorted dict the items. So the items in the dictionary are the pairs of keys and values. Then we're going to print sorted dict the values. So this is how you sort the values in the dictionary. Then we're going to print sorted dict dot values. Then we're going to do reverse equals true. So what this does, last line does, is that it first sorts the values of the dictionary, and then it reverses the order because a reverse equals true. Then we're going to print So first did the regular one, then did 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the sorted of the values, and then the reverse equals true, did 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's like a countdown. Next we're going to do a list equals, then there's negative numbers and regular numbers. Then we're going to print sorted a list. And we're going to print sorted a list. Key equals ABS. So the key equals ABS makes all of these numbers regular numbers, so the negative doesn't matter. Now, so it did this one, the regular list, and then when it did the ABS, it did -1, 2, -3, 4, and -5. So the negatives now don't matter. Next we're going to do a list inside a list. Then we're going to print sorted a list, and we're going to print sorted a list. Key equals lambda item, then item 2. So in another video we learned about lambda functions. So here the lambda function gets in the item index 2, which are the 2-digit numbers 65, 30, 10, and 24, and sorts these items by these 2-digit numbers. So now I'm going to save it and run it. So first the sorted function, which is sorted a list. So sorted by its first element, which is the word. So bird, cat, dog, and rabbit. Then here, let's look at the 2-digit numbers. So first is 10, then 24, 30, and 65. So that worked. Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.